Hey yo, welcome to the rescue room. This is your favorite nurse, Jenny. A quick look at Nigerian statistics of unemployment as of 2022 to 2025. You realize that the Nigerian unemployment has increased. As of 2023, the Nigerian unemployment was 3.83. Then as of 2024, it declined. Then during the first quarter of the year, it rose up again. And it has been on a consistent rise to date. You're welcome. This is your favorite nurse Jenny. And I'll be sharing a series with you on this platform to actually throw light on the current problem Nigerians are actually suffering and way forward and way to exclude yourself from these Nigerian syndromes. So what could actually be the main causes of this unemployment? That is another question that you should ask. So according to statistics shows that one of the leading causes of unemployment in Nigeria is lack of skilled graduates, government policy, education system. Our education system has been a very, will I say bad one, or I don't know how to put it, but the Nigerian education system has not been very good at all to the youth. Then I will also say inadequate opportunities and economic downlines. Those are basically the main causes of unemployment in Nigeria. Now I'm going to be giving you 3 practical steps you could use to exempt yourself as a graduate, or whether you are not even a graduate. These are things that you can do on your own self to exclude yourself from suffering, from being partakers of the current suffering that is ongoing in Nigeria. So one of the first things I will give you is to try freelancing, learning skills. I've said in my previous video that you should know who you are. If you know who you are, you will be able to tell the kind of skills, the kind of things you can do, and then you can also tell your talents. A lot of those does not even know the kind of talents we have. That's because we don't really know who you are. So I'll give you an assignment no matter the time you're watching this video. The first thing you would do is to know who you are. Then another thing you could do is to learn freelancing. Learn a skill. It can be digital or non-digital skills. Then volunteer yourself in places, in all these workplaces, so that should be, in case they need somebody that could cover up when one person travel out or one person decides to resign, they can easily employ you quickly without going outside or without advertising for the position. Another thing you could do is to share your ideas online. Every person living on earth has his unique blueprint. There's something unique about you that I don't know. There's something unique about Mr. A that I don't know. All of us, if you look at the palm of my hands, you can see that all of them are not equal. That is how it is with every woman. Every human is born with a specific special trait that is not found in the next person. So talk to people anywhere you are. Talk to people about your ideas. They could give you a suggestion, and before you know, you start doing something with it, and before you know, you're already on your way to making millions. Another thing you could do is to ensure that you serve. The Bible says that you should serve to show yourself approved. You can serve in church. You can serve big man without needing them to pay you. But as long as you are serving them wholeheartedly, before you know, one thing or the other will lead to the other. You discover that somehow before you, let's say you look for a very wealthy man in your area, and you just volunteer yourself that you want to serve him. Even if he's not going to pay you something, but you just want to serve. You can help him to wash clothes, you can help him to clean up, you can help him to do so many things. Or you meet, or in the area you live, you can look for all those aged people, probably their children are not living within them. You can volunteer yourself to serve them. And before you know, you see doors start opening for you because of that singular service you are rendering. So there's this lady in my area one time where I was living in Zaria, school in Zaria though. This lady, she's a graduate of I think she read economics in school. So what she does was that she these Zaria people, they like kunu a lot. So she started making kunu. She was taking it to places, different offices. She goes to different banks. She tells them that she supplied them kunu, that in case they need anything, they need any drink, instead of taking carbonated drink, they can substitute it for kunu. So this is every week. The moment she wakes up in the morning, she will make kunu and supply it around. Do you know that at the end of the week, this girl will be cashing out 300,000? And then on Saturdays, what she does that every Saturdays and Sunday, she's always going out. We will ask her, Faith, where are you going to? She says she's going to somebody's house that she wants to go and help. She wants to go and help that mama, that she noticed that mama does not have anybody to help her. She will help this mama to go to the market, help this mama to cook food. And that's how she keep doing it. She was even doing it without expecting the woman to pay her anything. Not the suddenly help. I don't know how from one thing to the other. They were looking for somebody in US that could take care of a aged woman, and then the woman recommended her that she's a very good person, and that's how she relocated outside. And today her life is better off, and today she owns houses here in Nigeria. Now you can comment or share your idea if you have seen similar thing or other ways you can also improve yourself. Please, if you find this video helpful, like and share, comment, subscribe so that you can get the next update. Thank you.